gozaimasu. Hi everyone, my name is Julie. I'm currently working as the program coordinator at a border. So this video is to capture the 2-week exchange program for Japanese students that we, a border, had cooperated with Ryugaku Journal in September 2020. With the acknowledgement of how fast the world is changing, we set 4 goals for the program. The first goal is to help the student understand the cultural differences between Vietnam and Japan. The second one is to equip the students with skills to work globally. Furthermore, we hope to bring them an opportunity to sharpen their English communication skills. And the last goal is to help them build a network of international friends. We designed a customized curriculum for a 2-week exchange program, so even though it is a short time, the student can maximize their time to learn and experience in a very fun and comfortable way. Realizing how important it is to understand cross-cultural differences, we have culture sessions sharing about cuisines of both countries.
So for Vietnamese, we really like to go shopping every day because we love to eat fresh fruits. So as you can see at the stall right here, everything is so fresh.
Also, we have a cultural workshop so the students from Vietnam and Japan, they can work together to learn and to find out the differences in the particular aspect of the culture. For example, like gender roles, family values, work style, and the youth cultures. Furthermore, participants had a chance to join 2 global seminars to learn about skills needed to work globally and start up stories with valuable lessons learned. More importantly, both Japanese and Vietnamese students collaborate on a project to share their ideas after understanding the cultural differences. These projects show how hard the students work together to come up with interesting and meaningful ideas.
Okay, so I have 3 big examples of successful women in Japan who has achieved big goals. One, from the left, is Sadako Ogata. She has served the international society during her years in the UN and UNICEF. And I think she's a really good example that not only is women capable of the men's job, they're able to do it even better.
Between the rural area and the metropolitan area, which one do you prefer to live in Japan?
Personally, I prefer urban area because it's personal decision and idea because only because I don't have driver license.
Yes, but in the future I want to live in rural areas because
Like currently living in Tokyo, I feel like it's really too crowded.
I'm going to show you what we say before and after eating. So we place our hand and together and say itadakimasu before eating, and then after eating, we place our hand again and say gochisou sama deshita.
Besides, we try our best to bring our Japanese students a very warm welcome and also ongoing support from our border. And this scene is a video that we say our first konnichiwa to Japanese students. Please don't take my sunshine away. Konnichiwa! The local buddies, they are young university students who have good English communication skills, and also they really love to learn and to share with other friends from different backgrounds.
So can you please list any, like inappropriate behaviors when we approach back to Japanese students? So for example, like if we talk too loud, like that, like they feel offense.
Well, you don't have to worry about, what they are inappropriate for the Japanese way, because I really want the Japanese students to experience the differences between the Japanese and the Vietnamese culture, how they speak out.
The best thing is when the participants become closer to each other, have fun moments, and also share deep stories. They actually have a friend to talk to and to listen to them.
I think joining this culture exchange program was one of my greatest experiences recently.
I've experienced a lot of new things, like new culture,
Late meeting together, hardworking, discussing, chit-chatting about our favorites.
is being able to work as a team with someone you just barely met, not in person but online.
Thing for the collaboration between Abroad of Vietnam and Ryugaku Journal of Japan to create such a meaningful program, even though it's virtually.
They are one-of-a-kind experience, one-of-a-kind memory.
Well, I think it was really fun.
Very, very enjoyable.
I had a wonderful time in this program thanks to the staffs of Abroad and Ryugaku Journal, and of course to all the local bodies.
I was able to speak with many Vietnamese friends almost as same age as me, and I was able to go through a fun cultural exchange.
The most great thing is that I was able to make awesome Vietnamese friends.
People who is related to this program was kind and friendly to me.
And I think this program has given me a way to inspire myself to try new things.
And it's been a fruitful 2 weeks, which I can never forget.
I hope I will join this program again.
Hi. If you're listening to this message, that means that you are still in the circle of uncertainty, contemplating whether or not to participate in this program.
I think some of you may find it challenging to speak in English and work together using English.
You don't have so many chances to get foreign friends and work with them the way we did. The local bodies are all very friendly and gentle like Japanese.
We can enjoy talking without perfect English, and we can learn many things that is more important than grammar.
One Vietnamese buddy said to me that this isn't school, you're not getting graded, and no one is going to judge you. And that is true. If you don't know something, just ask or say, I don't know. That is totally fine. And I cannot stress enough how all the Vietnamese buddies, the team of Abroad, and the Japanese agency are super kind, welcoming, and warm. They are there for you, and you can trust and rely on them.
For those who still hesitate to join those kind of programs,
Just relax, be your original self.
To share more about yourself, about your family, about your country, about your experiences.
give it a try, because it will change you a lot and it will bring you more friends than you expected.
We're gonna have a good time enjoying this program together.
So why not?
Hopefully, in the future, we together can achieve our dreams, our goals, and achieve what we want to do in life. So stay safe, everyone, and see you!
So, what are you waiting for? Let's make a change. Thank you.